So basically, we can get started now. First of all, I want to welcome you guys at the introduction of our Tricise University. I'm happy that you took your time to join us today. What we want to do today is now we want to present our new education program regarding the Automic automation courses. We have very few but packed agenda points. You might have a look at it right here. I will give you a few seconds and then we will get started. If you have questions, you can always ask them through the chat, and then I will make a little stop and answer them. But in the end of the webinar, we will also have a few minutes to take care of those questions, or you can also ask the question afterwards. All right, so let's get started. The current status of our training program is the following. In Germany, we offer trainings with our partner Q-Skills, but just public trainings. This partnership will end on 1st of July 2025, so in a few days. What we also do at the moment are in-house trainings in German and English. In-house trainings are basically trainings where a customer or a company says, okay, we got 3, 4, 5 or more participants. Just do the trainings or the courses you have in-house, come to us, do it remotely, whatever the company decides what's more suitable for them. And what we've seen is the challenges of the current model, that the market is basically changing, and we found, well, we thought about possible solutions, and the whys for us to reorganize our training program. First of all is the most important one, in my opinion, the flexibility. Not every company got the time to send employees 4 days away for a course, and I think the cry for changing of the training formats was very, very hearable. So we took this as one of the points why we want to reorganize our training program, or why we did it. The second one is more freedom of choice, obviously, because some people like to do an e-learning at one point, but a trainer program at another point, depending on for example, the time frame or the topic which is to be tackled. And also what we wanted to change is the clarity and the modularity of the targeted learning. So we changed the training program in its roots, and we want to build a brighter foundation where we can build upon future learnings and courses. What we will do, because of the whys, is we will provide one platform providing e-learnings and trainer-led courses, and also we will give you access to labs and exercises where you can apply your learned knowledge. And also what is new is we will providing certificates, but not just that you have participated to a special course, but we will check your knowledge and give you certificates afterwards. The most, or the biggest change in this regard is the e-learning part. We will add e-learnings to our Tricise University, where you can take a course, have access to the e-learnings, to the videos, to the PDFs, to the lab, and to everything regarded or related to your training. Can be accessed 6 months, and then you can take whatever course or whatever part of the course you want at your particular speed. So you can say, okay, it's Saturday, but I do not have appointments, or I do not have a date, and then you can dive into job objects and workflow objects and stuff. And also what is new, we will be providing public trainer-led courses, not just in German, but also in English. So if you're interested in those kinds of trainings, we will be providing English trainer-led courses as well. And what we will also change is the structure of our courses. We will provide 3 essentials courses: operator, user, and admin. And then we will build up on what we call modules with deep dives into specific topics. For example, the REST API. For example, the job object, but to to its full extent, not just you have to enter this here and then you're good to go. We'll like deep dive into everything and like make you as an expert on certain topics you choose, because I think it's important to have a foundation, or we think it's important to have a foundation in knowledge. But other than that, if you like do not need, for example, file transfers, and you use like other tools to provide to you to do file transfers, you do not need the information on that. Or if you have a REST API project regarding Automic and or Automic speaking to other REST API interfaces, then you can like just buy the specific topic in the future and like get a hold on your required topic. Let's have a look at the learning formats in depth, so we can like see the advantages and disadvantages of all the courses and the possibility of combine them. First, we have the good old trainer courses with personal support. Content is taught by an like experienced trainer. We already provided like trainings for like 15 to 20 years, and they are very, very experienced, and now will offer like German and English courses. And the major change in this regard is we do not have a partner anymore to like handle the registration and stuff. We will do all of it by ourselves. And we got like more flexibility. So whatever need you have, you can just contact us, and we will like we will be happy to help you with your needs. What's the newest accomplishment from the Tricise University will be the self-study courses with videos and documents and the lab access. Like I already said, like if you order a self-study course, you will have access for 6 months to everything you've bought, basically. So to the course materials, documents, and videos, and to the lab. And what you can also do is we have a support ready for you. So if you are stuck in a particular area of your training, you can just write us an email. Then we will get in contact with you and help you to solve the problem. And what's also new, each course concludes with a test. And if you like take the test successfully, then you will get a certificate from us. So your employer or future employer knows that you have like the knowledge you are you're saying you have. And also what we have is in-house training courses. And what's new is you can take all our offered courses. You can say we want to have those within our own company. We have like 3, 4, 5 participants, but you can also combine them. So you can say you want a few chapters taught by a trainer, but others you want to maybe do on your own with a self-study version of the course. And then we can sit together and say, okay, what we can recommend doing with trainers and what we recommend doing with the e-learning stuff. I think that's a very flexible option, and I think it combines the best of 2 worlds. So do not hesitate to contact us on this end as well. And just in-house trainings can be done like remotely or within your firm's headquarters, for example. So when we will be ready to launch is the 15th of July. We will start with 3 courses in e-learning and trainer format in German and English. So we will like set the foundation of the operator, the user, and the administrator. And let's have a quick look what it's including. So operator is basically if you got, for example, a new service provider or a new colleague, and you want them to be able to check the current status of your Automic system job-wise, then we will tell or show the personnel how to like accomplish their goals rather quickly, so they can work as soon as possible on their own, doing like basic stuff. For example, analyzing reports, checking statuses of very important jobs, triggering jobs, basically all what the operator does. And you can choose if it's for your service provider, for example, but also for your new colleague who didn't have the experience with Automic or UC4 so far. If you want to like upgrade it a notch, we have the Automic User Essentials. I think it's an upgrade, in my opinion, to the operator. It explains to you how to, like, for example, create the most common jobs, how to fill it out, how to use, for example, external and internal, like internal and external dependencies, sorry, and how to connect everything, how to like create access rights, versioning, stuff like this, how to create a whole workflow combining different systems, for example, an SAP system with a Unix system and a Windows system, like cross-platform workflow, stuff like this. So you can be basically good to go to create processes on your own. And the Automic Administrator Essentials will be for like new administrators who want to learn how to set up and upgrade an Automic environment from scratch. Basically, you will have like an empty virtual machine, and then you get the components like placed on the machine, and then you get either the trainer or the videos explaining to you how to set up an Automic environment from nothing to a fully working environment, basically, including agents, service managers, CAPKI, and stuff like this. All the most important components will be like shown and explained. Do we have any questions to this point, or can I continue? All right, then let's continue together. What's important to us is not just creating a course and then never touch it again. So basically, we will be review our products or our courses every 6 months latest. If we got more newer product versions, customer feedbacks, or no best new practices from our work as consultants, we will include those in our trainings as well. So you can be sure that the course you took 1 year ago isn't the same today. Because what's most important in education, I think, is not just having created a course for one time and never update it again, but you need to keep it updated and close to real life scenarios. And if we like create it today, it can be like a little older tomorrow, and that's why we like chose that we will update all of those every 6 months latest. What we will also do is expanding our course range. We will do it on a quarterly basis, maybe at first a little faster than, let's say, a little later. We like try to deploy 1 to 3 courses or modules, as we call them, quarterly. And what's also important to us is we will maintain the long-term reliability. So everything we will be releasing and what we are planning trainer-wise, we will communicate very, very early. So you guys and your companies can like kick off the buying process, the planning process and stuff. So this is important for us as well. So these are like 3 quality saving measures we will take to give you the best value for money. So talking money, the best things in life are unfortunately not for free. And so our courses, we have to take some money to like keep you guys updated. So the self-study courses, the operator will come for 400 euros one-time payment. The user and administrator course will cost 1,000 euros in the self-study version. Trainer courses will be a little different. The operator will be the same. The administrator will be 1,275. The user 1,700. And the in-house training courses, we would ask you to request a detailed price list / offer, because it depends on how many persons, what contents you want to have. Do you want to have the existing contents? Do you want to have new contents? Stuff like this. Sorry. So this is why we are asking you to like request a quote for this. Also, for all persons who like participate in our webinar today or pre-registered, we will be sending you guys a 150 euros quote voucher, so you can use for either e-learnings, in-house offers, or trainer trainings. Give us a day or two, but we will get them 100%. And also, we have for all participants of our webinar, we have like 3 times each one free access to a course of your choice. So if you like win this prize, you can choose if you want the administrator, the user, or the operator, and then we will send you a 100% voucher for you to like cash in. Basically, it's not possible to get money out of it. You just get our courses, but I think knowledge is always better than money. So I think you are on the winning side of this offer. And I think that's it for now. If you got like any questions, this is the time we have like especially planned this time slot for your questions. If you do not have questions right now, or do you don't want to like say them or discuss them in public, you can always contact us through an email, info@tricise.com, or contact us or me directly on LinkedIn as well. And I already posted the link into the chat. So we're good for now. Any questions?